Winter is quickly approaching, and what better way to step into winter without some tasty raw winter meals? As I take you through my day, I will be sharing every meal I'll be eating today to stay warm. I hope you enjoy. After finishing up my morning clean, I'll be having my orange and carrot mocktail. Yes, only 2 ingredients. Going into my first meal, I'll be having slightly sprouted chickpea soup. I used raw chickpeas, which I soaked in sea salt water overnight. I made a video on how to sprout chickpeas, and all recipes, including the soup, will be in the description. Next up is one of my favorite smoothies, frozen blackberries, pineapples, and grapes. Now everyone needs a cold drink regardless of the weather, and this is mine. I discovered this recipe at a smoothie bar and I just couldn't shake it after that. Once I'm done with this, then I'll be chilling out a little and then maybe go into some tea. The tea I'm having is hibiscus tea. Sometimes I add frozen pineapple cubes to it, but today I am keeping it hot and simple. You may not know this about me, but I am such a homebody, so we relaxed at home for a while before heading out. This store is amazing. If you're looking for anything from the 1800s through the 1900s, this is the spot. They travel the world to find these original gems, but my interest was the antiquarian bookstore. The original print of all books, including the Frederick Douglass book I wanted, which is $2,000, is in this store. I don't think I can do it, but I can sit in the store and read it though. This part of my day is called solitude. I am going in with my third meal for today, which is spicy stuffed mushrooms. This recipe is packed with so many nutrients and ingredients that I'm not going to begin on how to make it. Just check the description. For those who have been watching me for a while, you know this is one of my all-time favorites, but just with a little spicy kick. Spices matter in the winter because they increase your body temperature, so keep some spices handy. Yes, it's tea time again. This time around, I decided to make soursop tea instead of hibiscus tea. All I'm interested in is just really enjoying nature and taking the necessary time to think, read, and take in some fresh air because it's very much needed. It's getting dark now because, as you know, the time changed again, so I'm donating a book as I always do and heading to Starbucks to work because that's my favorite place to work from, per usual. My daughter literally takes her skateboard everywhere. Before I finish my day, I need to get some gas and an oil change, and then I'm heading home for my juice. I cannot go too long without my juice. It's just one of those good addictions I have, but today has been a good chill day though. I enjoy spending time with myself. Now I do have friends, but sometimes your best friend is yourself. Okay, so it's some things you may or may not have noticed in this video, but I want to go in with the tea. So taking in tea 3 times a day. So personally, I feel like you should take it in 3 times a day, but 2 times a day works as well. But taking in tea 3 times a day, morning, afternoon, and night, makes a huge difference. It instantly increases your body's temperature. It makes you feel great. And also it has so many health benefits. Let me tell you, a lot of us sleep on the herbs, and a lot of the herbs have to be consumed in tea form because there's no other way to consume it. And so, yeah, I think including more tea in your diet will make a huge difference in the winter time. Another tip in this video is spices. So in 3 of the meals, which is the chickpea soup, the tomatoes and avocado, and also the stuffed mushrooms, I use spices. I use things like chili pepper, black pepper, cayenne pepper, turmeric, a little bit of oregano, and thymes. All of them are game changers. You can include them in any of your meals. It does not have to be the meals in this video. And it's not like tea where it instantly kind of increase your body's temperature. It's something that kind of creeps up on you in a good way though. It creeps up on you and it naturally increases your body temperature, and you feel great. You feel comfortable. You don't feel like your body temperature is so low where you feel like you have to start eating like cooked food. And yeah, so include more spices in your meals and you will see what I'm talking about. Now, we all know that movement and exercise can make your body temperature go up, and so that includes Pilates, weight training, walking, yoga, whatever you want to do, get to it. We were not designed to sit down all day and do nothing, which is what most of us do. We got to get past that, okay? Movement matters. Get your body up, get it moving. You'll be surprised at like just, you know, getting into a plank position. It will increase that body temperature almost instantly. Try it at home. Last but not least is taking in room temperature foods. So I'm not saying that it increases your body temperature, but it does not decrease your body temperature. So eating food like straight out the fridge, it will make you feel cold. I mean, you're eating cold food all day. It's like eating ice cream all day, which I mentioned that in another video, how ironic. But anyway, yeah, make sure that all of your food is like room temperature meals. And I'm not saying that you can't store your fruits and vegetables in the fridge, because you need to, because that's where it needs to be to extend the shelf life, at least most of them. But when you make your meals, let them sit on the counter for a while, maybe 15 to 20 minutes, so it can chill off a little bit. It will not spoil your food, so please don't think that. And when you do that, then you eat your food. And you can do the same with your juices as well. You don't have to, you know, put your juice in the fridge and just let it sit all day and you have to take it in cold. Yes, you need to store your juices in the fridge. Let me take that back. You need to store your juices in the fridge, but when you take them out, let them sit for a little while before you drink them to get it at room temperature. You don't have to like chug it down. You know how many times I like travel with my juices? I have so many videos that I posted of me traveling with my juices. So of course they set for a while before I actually consume them, because I'm out with friends, I'm doing whatever I'm doing, and of course I have a ton of juice, okay? And so I don't consume them all at once, basically. So I let them sit for a while. And you can do that with almost anything. Just avoid taking in cold foods if you can. I think the only thing that you have to consume cold is your smoothies, because it doesn't apply to your juices, your teas, your nothing, okay? Nothing else. The only thing is smoothies. And for people who eat cooked food, of course they take in smoothies as well. People eat ice cream in the wintertime. I'm not telling you that you can't take in cold foods. I'm saying you need to primarily take in room temperature foods, or either hot teas or whatever it is, and spices, of course, because you need your spices. But yeah, so I hope all of these tips help you out. And if you don't do anything else, drink your tea, because that is the one thing on my list that has the most impact, and you will see instant results like almost immediately. And tea should do it alone, but including all of the things that I just mentioned, you should be fine in the winter time. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And once again, hello to my new people. Hi.